Hey Peter, I'm doing the SEO report for Solis Clean. I'm going to start by analyzing the Google Business Profile because I think it's really important that we spend some time understanding what Google can see and can recommend for our business and what kind of things we can do to increase the number of leads and phone calls and business and sales. I'm using an SEO tool that I call, it's called GMB Everywhere, and I'm looking at Solis Clean on Google Business Profile. I'm going to be doing what's called a basic audit just to give some pointers here. The business is not using an address. I understand when businesses do this, it's because they don't have a physical location. However, keep in mind, if we have a virtual office and we're able to show an address, our chances of attracting clients increase. We'll get more phone calls. So this is something to consider. Obviously, it's clean. Here's the website. And the categories listed is a solar panel maintenance service and service establishment. We can list many more categories. When I went to the website, I see that they do, so List Clean doesn't just do solar panel maintenance, but it also offers other services. Like for example, I saw that window cleaning was one of the services, window washing, window cleaning, pressure washing, gutter cleaning. We should be adding all these categories to the profile because that will also increase the number of chances, the number of phone calls, the number of impressions and people contacting us. So that's something to quickly point out here. The categories, we should be adding more, and we can even change the primary category based on the season. That's part of what managing a profile. It's all about, making sure we are proactive about attracting the right clients. As of right now, if we're concentrating on solar panel service establishment is just a bad category. I will remove that from there. But this profile needs to be optimized. Once we're optimizing this profile with a better name, with a better description, with better social media links, with updates, with new images, with frequently asked questions, and everything we do for SEO, this profile is ready to get many, many more phone calls. Now, the point that we should be analyzing is how much does the service cost to see how many calls do we need to make a certain amount of sales. Say for example, we're trying to make $35,000 in sales or $50,000 in sale. We need to compare how many phone calls we need to do sales and to go ahead and attract the right number of people to reach that goal. I don't have that information, but that's something we should be looking into as well. The website, when I went to the website, it's not the best. It definitely needs work. I typically don't pay a lot of attention to the website, but in this case, I do want to mention it because the website is not a tool to attract new clients. It's not what brings new calls and new clients. But when people find you on Google, they do go to the website to make sure they're dealing with a professional company and to make sure that that it just looks professional and they like that they get a good feeling for the person who they're going to be bringing into their home. So again, website not a client acquisition tool, but something to pay attention to make sure clients look at it as a professional company. I ran a report using Local Falcon. Local Falcon is a Google Maps local search grid report. It's actually in progress right now. We're going to be looking at it in a minute. But what it's going to do, it's going to help us understand how Solis Clean is ranking right now in the Simi Valley area for keywords like window cleaning, solar panel cleaning, solar panel maintenance service. And that's going to give us an idea of what to do to bring more calls and more business. But while this is working, I'm going to go ahead and open an incognito window and go on google.com and do solar panel. Let's do maintenance, which is the category that we're listed under, although we might have to change that category. Just for now, let's do solar panel maintenance. If I do solar panel maintenance, what are the results that show at the top of Google? Google Business Profiles. These businesses get most of the phone calls, and then websites. which I don't think many people will scroll down to call any of these websites. If I do solar panel cleaning service, what are the results that we get? Google Business Profiles. And then they have to scroll down into go into websites if they want to go check somebody on Yelp. Most people just call these three businesses right here. So with that being said, if we use common sense, we say that when anybody is looking for solar panel cleaning, solar panel maintenance service, anything related to even window cleaning, the results that show are at the very very top are the Google Maps 3-pack, the Google Maps top 3 listings in the area. So it doesn't make sense to invest into anything else except for that. That's what I would invest any type of advertising budget into ranking at the Google Maps on the Google Maps 3-pack. Let me go ahead and go back here, close this window, and see if the report's just finished. So yeah, they just finished. So if I'm looking for solar panel maintenance service, this map right here will show us where our business profile is ranking in the Simi Valley area. Basically, all throughout the 10 miles radius, this business profile is not even in the top 20 positions, except for right here. That's what we should be fixing because, again, using common sense, only the very top 3 businesses that rank in the Google Business Profiles will get most of the phone calls. So why not target that area and make sure that we explode phone calls by ranking in the top 3 positions throughout the entire city for solar panel maintenance service. Let me go back really quick and look at another keyword. Solar panel cleaning, we're doing much better here. So it seems like our average is 5.4, but we're only ranking in this area right here. We're position 4. If the person who was searching for solar panel cleaning was right here in the city in Simi Valley, I will be position 4. So we're very, very close to being the top 3. Actually, if we pay attention, these 2 businesses that have less reviews than us are ranking above us. So there's no reason why that should happen. In this place right here, someone was searching from this dot or this location in the city, anywhere around here, we'll be ranking position 5. So that's very easy for us to move it up and be ranking in the top 3. Now, as you can see, there's people searching for this service throughout all of this area, and we would not even be in the top 10. We're not even in the top 20. So if the person searching for solar panel cleaning is like a mile out, like in this area right here, then we have all these companies ranking above Solis Clean, which makes sense because SEO has not been something that this company has been doing at all. And that's what I'm thinking we should be doing. Not SEO for the website, but SEO for the Google Business Profile. Just to be very clear, SEO for the website is for website rankings. People nowadays do not go all the way down there, and even less so for something like solar panel cleaning or window cleaning. We need to concentrate on SEO for the Google Business Profile because only those top 3 listings will get most of the phone calls. So that, and I also propose looking into something else called Google LSAs, which is a form of Google Ads. There's different type of Google Ads. If we do window cleaning near me, actually let me close here and open a window here. Let's say we do window cleaning. Somebody's looking for window cleaning. What are the top results? Sponsored result. This is a form of Google Ads called Google Guaranteed or Google Local Service Ads. I really think this is a great program because this is a pay per call program, meaning we pay per qualified phone call. We don't pay per click, unlike the regular window pay per click program. And then immediately Google Business Profiles. If we want to make money, this is the area to target through Google Maps SEO. If we want to invest even more so into getting phone calls, then we pay per call through the Google LSA. If we do pressure washing. Let me see if going into an incognito window, Google will show me ads. Pressure, which is a very profitable area. We have worked with several pressure washing companies. Pressure washing near me, for example. So when I go into incognito, window doesn't show LSAs, but if I do pressure washing and they can detect my location, typically this is what happens. Again, local service ads, which is a form of Google advertising that I think this company should be doing, where we just pay per call, per qualified call, and then immediately Google Business Profiles. Just to make a point clear, up to 80% of the calls go down here to these top 3 listings. And we should be focusing on ranking the company in the top 3 positions throughout the 10-mile radius. And then second, investing into the local service ads program, which is the LSA or Google Guarantee program. Hopefully we get a chance to, I think we should have a meeting to discuss this in more details, because pressure washing, window cleaning, and even solar panel cleaning, it's in high demand in the whole Riverside, Orange County, and this whole area. It's something that I think we could be making quite a bit of progress in terms of getting phone calls, as long as we concentrate our marketing in what matters. Not so much the website, not so much pay-per-click programs as maps, which is the top results, and LSAs, which also feed off of the maps because they show reviews and it gets all the information from the Google Maps listing. But unfortunately, this profile, it's still very, very basic. There's a lot to be done here, which we can do pretty quickly.